Generating an invoice from a quote. It is general business practice to generate a quotation for the proposed work and get a sign-off from the client. Once the quote is accepted, the same is converted to an invoice, and the client makes the payment against the invoice. The Finance module incorporates a custom action that takes the selected quote and generates an invoice using the same details, along with quote line items. This reduces the duplication of effort and chances of committing errors. To generate an invoice from a quote, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to Quotes table from Explorer sidebar. 2. Locate the quote you wish to generate an invoice of, either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. 3. Click on the quote title to open it. 4. On the Details page, confirm all of the relevant quote details are proper. 5. Click the Generate Invoice from Quote menu button located in the top right of the page. 6. You can select Invoicing Date and Payment Due Date, then click OK. Wait for the green notification indicating the successful conversion. Click on the Invoices tab. Here you will find all invoices that look up to the quote item. Your newly created invoice is here. Click on the title to access the invoice item. All the details are replicated from the quote item. All created invoices will also appear within the Invoices table under Finance, then Invoices. Note: invoices created with a project selected will also appear within the project profile under Financials, then Invoices. For more details on project quotes and invoices, refer to these tutorials from Project Management module.